Today, we're taking a look and installing the PanzerGlass screen protector for the Samsung A53. Let's unbox it and see what you get. Along with the screen protector, you also get wet wipes, a microfiber cloth, and a massive dust removal sticker. We have a cardboard box, and for each of the parts, they're packaged in 100% compostable bags. So well done, Panzer. Before installing the screen protector, always turn off your device. This means the screen won't light up while you're trying to install it. As with all screen protector installations, let's start with cleaning the screen. Grab the wet wipe and wipe across the whole screen. Next, grab the microfiber cloth and dry the screen, making sure no fingerprints are left over. Now, you can grab the massive dust removal sticker and dab it across the screen. This large dust sticker makes this process so much easier. Once you're happy, get the screen protector and peel the back off. Now, align the screen protector up with the screen. Then, when you're happy, place it down and run your finger along to start sticking it down. Next, you can grab the microfiber cloth and work any bubbles out towards the edge of the screen. Once you're happy, you can remove the film from the outside. After you've installed the screen protector, please re-add your fingerprint in the phone settings to ensure it works every single time. Now the screen protector is installed, let's take a look. Instantly, you can see that all of the screen is covered by this screen protector. This means it goes right to the edge of the glass. Add to this that the edges are nice and rounded off and also blacked out, makes this a very nice screen protector. As with most PanzerGlass ones, this is a very thin screen protector, and I've faced zero issues getting cases on the phone with this in place. After trying to scratch it with a knife and a nail, I've not been able to see any marks on the screen protector. This is very promising when you put your phone in your pocket with your keys. Overall, this screen protector is one of the best we've tested. The installation was smooth, however it could be improved further with an installation frame. If you'd like to buy this screen protector, please visit the links below. And if you've enjoyed this video, please drop us a like and subscribe.